In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram camera effects or filters not working. Now, the first thing you have to do is to make sure that your Instagram is on the latest model. And to do that, you just need to go to Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and then if this button says Update, all you have to do is to update your Instagram to its latest model. If that still does not work, you can try and go to Settings, search for Apps, and then tap on Apps again. Now, all you have to do is to search for Instagram. Now that you're on Instagram, all you have to do is to go to Storage, and then tap on Clear Cache. This will enable Instagram to restart the course of its program, making the filters work. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!